So I will show you my issues with this motherboard. So you can see that I have installed all 4 memory modules. And now I will try to start a system. You can see that coolers are running, but nothing happens. No sound, but the beeper is connected and no logo on the screen. And now I will remove one memory module, this module. Look at this. So you can see that I removed one memory module, and now I will try to start the system. Coolers are running. Okay, you can see that system is started, and now we have 12 gigabytes of DDR3 memory. Okay, now I will change memory modules. I will move this one to this memory slot. So okay, I moved one memory module from this memory slot to this one. Okay, let's try to start the system. You can see that coolers are running, but nothing happens. No beep sound, no logo on the screen, on the monitor. And I have tried two different combinations, and I have found that this memory slot doesn't work properly. If one memory module is installed on this system or in this memory slot, the system doesn't work. Motherboard can't start. But I have bought 4 memory modules. You can see this and 3, because I need 16 gigabytes of memory. But now I can't use only 12 gigabytes, and I can't use this memory in 4-channel mode. And this is a big problem for me, because my software requires 16 megabytes of memory.